into how to create an API. To create an API, we first of all go into the command window. We navigate to the file. So in this case, mine is documents web links / API. It's saying there's no such thing. Right, I must have misspelled web links. And now I'm into the API folder. Always check the spelling because it can be quite annoying, as you just seen. First of all, we initialize the folder. This creates a package.json file, which will contain all the files that your file is dependent on. Next, we initialize GitHub. After this, we put in the commands such as npm install express, which provides use of HTTP commands. We save them to make sure that the computer has these node modules installed. So we'll use Malta as well. -save. I didn't put a space. Sorry. There we go. npm install SQLite3 -save. So all these commands, basically, you'll install each one. Once you install each command, right, after you install each command, basically, these will allow your API to run, because we're going to create a JSON file, well, not a JSON file, so a JS file, and this JS file is going to be ran using Node. This means our database will be stored somewhere on the server, and we'll be able to access it using the localhost 3000 command, because we're going to give that the leverage over here. Okay, so in the API, we then go into the folder. We create a new text. So I use Visual Studio code to do my text editing. So I created the JS file, and then I added this block of code to it. This block of code basically using these commands that we've just put in, creates a database, and it even has some fake values. You can change these to anything you want. You can even change the hello world to hello class if you really want. After we've done this in the API, what we do is we can run. I have the last bit of the code in as well. So after we put node weblinks.js, it should come up as up and running. And to test it works, all we have to do is go localhost 3000. I'm going to get an hello world, which means our API is up and running. To test that it is actually working for everything, we use this link here. It's called localhost 3000 / all web links, and then we get ID 1 BBC, which was the thing that was in before. Thank you very much, and this is how to create an API.